Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we all discussed about some subtraction problems on liter and milliliter. So, remaining part of that one today I am going to explain. The third question is the subtraction, that is 45 liter 800 milliliter from 75 liter 750 milliliter. First, we should subtract this one from this number. Before that, first what we will do, we will divide the numbers. Okay, first we should do the liters and milliliter. Okay, the first one is, that is 75 liter and 750 milliliter, and the second one is 45 liter 800 milliliter. We should subtract these two. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. Next, 5 minus 0, that is 5. 7 minus 8 will not possible, so we should take one carry. So 7 becomes 17. So 17 minus 8 means 9. 17 minus 8 means 9. Now 5 minus 5 is 0, but here already 1 is the carry. So that's why again I will take carry. 15 minus 6 is 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. The answer is 29 liter 950 milliliter. You should write this one in your classwork book. The next one is 34 kiloliter and 750 liter from 55 kiloliters. So dear students, first we should do kiloliter and liter. So that is 55 kiloliter. There is no any liters, so I will write 00 there. So this one is 34 kiloliter and 750 liter. So now we should subtract this. The 55 kiloliter, first we should subtract this one from 55 kiloliters. See dear students, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, not possible. So we should take one carry. Then 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Next, 0 minus 7 is also not possible. So 0 becomes 10 when taking carry. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus, we should carry minus 1 also, that is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. This one is 20 kiloliter and 250 liter. 20 kiloliter and 250 liter. What is the question? 34 kiloliter 750 liter from, should subtract this one, 55 kiloliter. Because of that reason, first we should write the 55, and here there is no any liters, we should write 000. And the 34 kiloliter 750 liters. 0 minus 0 is 0 only, and 0 minus 5 not possible. So we should take one carry. So 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay. Next, 0 minus 7 is also not possible. That's why again we take carry. 10 minus 7 means 3. 3 minus carry 1, 2. The answer is 2. Next, 5 minus 4 means only 1 left. here carry one is there, that one also we should subtract. So the answer is 0. And the 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 20 kiloliter and 250 liter. This is the answer. See next, solve the following. Here they given 4 word problems. We should first understand the question what they given. Is it possible to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication? We should find out first and later we will start to write the answer. Now see dear students, what is the question? First we should understand the question. Veena buys 3 liter 250 milliliter of groundnut oil. While returning from her office, her mother also bought 1 liter 500 milliliter of groundnut oil on the same day. What is the total quantity of groundnut oil bought by them? So what they are asking here, Veena buys 3 liter 250 milliliter groundnut oil. At the same day, her mother bought 1 liter 500 milliliter of groundnut oil. So what they are asking, total quantity. Total quantity means we should add the what the given quantities are given. We should add that. So the answer is first, Veena buys groundnut oil. Veena buys groundnut oil. That is, we should divide that one also liter and milliliter. That is 3 liter and 250 milliliter. And Veena's mother buys groundnut oil. Veena's mother buys groundnut oil, that is 1 liter 500 milliliter. Here they ask total quantity. What they ask? Total quantity. So it means we should add the given quantities. This is addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0 only. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 2 plus 5. That is 7. Next, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 liter 750 milliliter. 4 liter 750 milliliter. So total quantity of groundnut oil. The total quantity of groundnut oil is 4 liter 750 milliliter. Again we should write one more sentence, that is, therefore the total quantity of groundnut oil is 4 liter 750 milliliter. So this is the answer for this question. First you should write the question with the red pen, and also downside you should write the answer with the help of blue pen. See dear students, again I am reading the question. First you should understand the question. Veena buys 3 liter 250 milliliter of groundnut oil on the same day. What is the total quantity of groundnut oil bought by them? So they are asking what is the total quantity of the groundnut oil. So because of that reason we should add the quantities. Veena buys groundnut oil, that is 3 liter 250 milliliter. Veena's mother buys groundnut oil 1 liter 500 milliliter. The quantity of groundnut oil 4 liter 750 milliliter. The total quantity, therefore the total quantity of groundnut oil is 4 liter 750 milliliter. Now the second question. A milkman has 25 liters of milk. How many liters? 25 liters of milk. He says 16 liters 750 milliliter of it. So in that 25 liters, he says 16 liters 750 milliliter milk. Find the quantity of milk left with him. So here they are asking how much milk he left with the milkman. That is, we should subtract that. Whatever quantity they given, we should subtract it. Okay. Now the answer is the total milk. The total milk milkman has. The total milkman has milk. That is, here we should write liter and also milliliter. That is 25 liter. There is no any milliliters. That's why I written 00 here. Only 25 liters. There is no any extra milliliters. And the next one is, he says, milkman sells milk, that is 16 liter 750 milliliter. 750 milliliter. We should do subtraction because what they asked, find the quantity of milk left. In the first question they asked total quantity of groundnut oil. Here how much milk left with the milkman? That is, we should do the subtraction. See, 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 0 minus 5 not possible. So we should take 1 carry. Now 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 0 minus 7 is also not possible. Again we should take 1 carry. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus carry 1, 2. 5 minus 6 not possible. We should take carry. Then 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6, that is 9. 9 minus 1, that is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1, and also we should subtract carry 1. The answer is 0. Here 8 liter and 250 milliliter. The milk left with milk. Left with milkman. Therefore, milk left with milkman is 8 liter 250 milliliter. 8 liter 250 milliliter. See, again I am reading the question. First you should understand the question. That is very important. Whether it is addition, subtraction, 16 liter 750 milliliter of it. Find the quantity of milk left with him. So milkman has this much quantity of milk. He already says this much quantity of milk. We should subtract whatever milk left. We should find out. See, total milkman has milk, that is 25 liter, and milk says milkman. The milk says milkman, that is 16 liter 750 milliliter. Milk left with milkman, that is 8 liter 250 milliliter. Milk left with, therefore the milk left with milkman is 8 liter 250 milliliter. The next question is, a bottle contains 1 liter 500 milliliter of sandal oil. It has to be filled into bottles to 250 milliliter each. How many bottles are required? See here, they given 1 liter 500 milliliter. Here they said each bottle contains 250 milliliter only. So first, what we will do? We should convert this liter into milliliter. We should convert the liter into milliliter. First, convert into milliliter. Convert into milliliter. That is 1 liter 500 milliliter. That is 1 into 1000 plus 500. This is the conversion of milliliter. That is 1000 plus 500 milliliter. That is 1500 milliliter. 1 liter 500 milliliter. This is equal to 1500 milliliter. See now, so this one is also in milliliter and this one is also in milliliter. Now divide these two. So now with that, after that we will get the how many bottles we need. This is 1500 divided by 2250. We should divide this one. That is 6. 215 6 1500. So the answer is 6 bottles. Answer is therefore we need 6 bottles. We need 6 bottles to require for fill into the container. Fill that container. See here. We need how many bottles? We need 6 bottles. Total 6 bottles we need to fill that container. Again I am reading this question. A bottle contains 1 liter 500 milliliter of sandal oil. It has to be filled into bottles of 200 milliliter We know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Already we know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter 500 milliliter. 1 into 1000 plus 500, that is milliliter. 1000 plus 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000 means 1000. Okay. That is 1000 plus 500 milliliter. That is 1 liter 500 milliliter equal to 1500 milliliter. Now here we divide that one equally. 250 1500. 250 into 6, that is 1500. So 1500. 250 6 are 1500.